Okay, back again guys. As we have now got this 380 PFC, 1.5 tonne of steel. We used the styes to push it up. So we jacked it up, took us for 3 hours to put it up there. Maybe longer, 4 hours. We got it up and we slid it as I did before, put it on soap boards. And we slid it into that end. So she's nicely snug in there. I housed out a piece of the timber in the bearer to allow for that 10mm plate, and then we pushed it up to the right height on both these posts, which are staying, and they're welded off now. Frank's just finished welding that, and now I've got to push up the bearer to be able to get it to the right height. That one's not too bad, that'll be level, but over here this one's got to be pushed up higher because that's going to sag. That's a 10 metre span from here to over there. It's 10 metres with no posts. So that beam's going to sag, I reckon, probably about 30mm. So we'll find out as I start pushing the floor up and bolting it on and see if we can stay straight. We'll check that out as we go. But my goal is to just get this tidied up so it can stay up there, and then I'm going to start on the next beam. I'm going to paint these others. Frankie's cleaned them. I'm going to paint those so they're ready to go. And yeah, so Frankie's over here to weld this off now. So that's all nice, tight in there, tight against that beam. I've just got to pull it back into the bearer that way. There's a big bow in it. And let's see where it goes from there. Remember, these posts here are actually coming out. They don't stay there. They're just there to hold the house up until that beam holds it up. So that's where we're at as I start getting that ready. And yeah, now we're over to this end. Frankie can weld this off as we pull this in. Alrighty, I thought I'd just show you that. I'll show you more on the next one. Alright, thanks for joining us, guys. Please be kind. Press the subscribe button and the like button would be very much appreciated. And any comments would be great. Okay, look forward to it. Alright guys, thank you. See you again soon. Bye.